Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do an oil change on this Nissan Versa 2021. So let's go ahead, raise the vehicle up, lift up your engine and lift up your hood, and then unscrew this just to make the oil flow a little bit easier out the system. So let's go ahead and raise the car up. So guys, I know the compressor running, but hope you guys can still hear me. So you're gonna get the filter right here. This is where your engine filter located underneath the car, along with this right here. This is gonna be 14 millimeters, so you need a 14 millimeter to go ahead and loose this and drain the oil out. So let's start by taking that 14 millimeter out. So 14 millimeter, I already take it loose, so that's why it come off so easily. So you want to set your drain pan so you don't mess up anything. So that's good. You can just sit your bolt right there so you don't lose it, but let that drain. You see how it come out in a steady flow and not gapped in for air. So that's it. So you want to get an oil filter puller, squeeze this right here and take it down. So don't worry about this one too. Link will be in the description for the tools I use. So far it's a 14 millimeter and a clip puller. So take it down a little bit, let it drain out some. Once it stops draining, then you can go ahead and remove some more, but be careful because you're gonna have more oil in the filter. And just wipe around it just to clean the surface. Make sure the seal is not, the rubber is not, did not came out from the filter and stuck onto here, because that will cause it to leak. So once that's done and this finished draining, you can put in your drain plug. So guys, you just want to seal, you just want to rub oil on top of here. Once oil is rubbed on top of there, you can go ahead and tighten this up. So once the rubber meet contact with the surface, you want to make a complete turn or 3/4 of a turn, because some filter you won't get a complete turn. This one you want to put it back and tighten it. Guys, use your head and not your muscle, so don't over tighten it if you do not have a torque wrench. So you can just, once that touch, try to go like 1/4 of a turn. So once you screw it in and it touch the pan, just turn it from like this to right here, and that should be good enough. And that filter is good. So let's go ahead and lower the car and add oil to the system. So what you want to do right here is remove the oil from the system, remove the oil cap from the engine cover and install your funnel, and then you want to add 3/4 and then check it to see what level it's at. If you need more, you add more. If you don't need more, that's good. And the oil it used is 0W20. So once you add 3/4, wipe it off, put it back in, pull it back out, check it. It looked like you need another quart, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 4/4 now. So this is gonna be the 4th quart. So guys, 4/4 seems to do the trick. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the vehicle up to see. And if you're worried about wondering what oil it takes, it's gonna say it right here on the sticker, 0W20. So let's go ahead and start the vehicle. So when you want to come in the car and start the vehicle, to let the oil circulate throughout the system. While it's circling through the system, you can go ahead and go through the menu of the car and reset the oil life. So we're gonna, these are the keys we're gonna use. We're gonna press to the right. We're gonna press to the right and go to the gear settings, which gonna stand for settings. So once you're over there, you want to press down and go to maintenance. You'll see it right there. Once at maintenance, you want to press for the oil and filter, you want to press OK. This car doesn't well, this car didn't set, they didn't set it, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it now. So go ahead, and I'm just gonna put it at 5,000. 5,000 should be good, even though these cars they probably recommend 10,000, depends on the oil, but 5,000 would be a safe spot. So I'm set it for 5,000. So next time you need oil change, when you reach 5,000, it's gonna go ahead and tell you, hey, you need to set you need oil change. Then you can just come down here and hit reset, and then it's gonna reset it over after you change your oil. And with that said, you gotta turn the car off, let it sit for like 3 minutes. So once it sits for 3 minutes, you want to go ahead and check the oil on the dipstick one more time. So after 3 minutes, wipe it off. Check the lever one more time. That's good. So it does take 4 quarts. Peace out. See you next time.